Hi, science classes. It is Friday, February 21st. Just wanted to touch base on what we're doing today because we have a lot of different activities going on. First things first, if you were not here yesterday, through no fault of your own, I am not faulting anybody. I know there's a variety of reasons we might have been out yesterday, and we're not going to get into that right now. If you were not here yesterday, then you have the landforms and plate tectonics quiz that was scheduled for yesterday. It might take you the whole period. I'm comfortable with that. You have an option to take it on paper or on Google form. If you have a study guide, please make sure to get it turned in before you complete your quiz. The study guides are currently marked missing. Your quizzes are currently marked missing. I recognize that's because you were absent, which is not your fault. However, I have to keep track of the grades somehow, and marking them missing is what helps me. So apologies for that. So this is what's going on with that. Please make sure to turn the study guides for that. If you'd like to see yesterday's vlog, I am intending to post it next to your quiz from yesterday. If you finished the quiz yesterday, please double check and see if you have a midterm retake. It's several people in every class, and there was some struggles with the midterm. There was some struggles with the quiz for the past unit. We need to get these out of the way. We're well past midterms. We want to get these retakes done and get that part of the grade book cleaned up. It's not that I'm saying that you are struggling with concepts or anything like that. I just want to make sure that we're getting that part of the grade book cleaned up. If you have completed yesterday's quiz and you have completed your midterm retake or don't have a midterm retake, you are looking at the rock cycle video questions. It's a study jams activity. It is posted on Google Classroom. It is associated with a half sheet assignment that is in the Thursday bin because it was assigned yesterday. So it's currently in the Thursday bin. Once you have everything caught up, we're taking a look at a discovery education activity on fossils in the rock cycle, trying to get a leg up on what we're doing with this next unit. Hopefully we got those all in order and everybody's able to log into Discovery Education. You're able to get that stuff done as you are supposed to do. I recognize that for some of you that will only count as a bonus assignment. That is okay. That is something you are still required to do. If you skip an assignment like that, even if it's assigned as a bonus, you still can lose points on it. I want to clarify that because I think that wasn't clear to some people during the past unit. So that is what's going on with the Discovery Ed Fossils and Rock Cycle. Beginning of next week, we are going to be moving forward with the rock cycle, but first of all, I want to take a look at CER. We're going to look back at something that I used to do when I taught English. You've heard me talk about this before, where I taught it a little bit different. We didn't do CER, we did MELCON. So we're going to talk about what that looks like. I'm going to bring up some notes on that. I'm going to take a look at the concept of main idea, main claim. So it's going to be the same concept, evidence, and link, which really is the same as our reasoning in CER. But just trying to clarify those things to hopefully make it a little clearer for you. That's where we're going to jump into things on Monday. So for today, like I said, taking a look at the landforms and plate tectonics quiz if you have not done it yet, then the midterm retake if you've not done that yet, and then rock cycle video questions on study jams, and then fossils and rock cycle on discovery education. I know seems like maybe a bit of a disjointed thing. Sometimes I would set that up on a hyperdoc, but for today, because everybody's in a completely different place, I find that doing that for a hyperdoc can kind of cause confusion. So I will be floating around trying to help you out, make sure you are on the right thing and understanding what you need to be doing. So please, if you have any questions on anything you're supposed to be doing, check in, make sure you're doing the right thing and you're doing it in the right order. That is the plan for today. Happy Friday and enjoy and best of luck.